When you're looking at these, we're going to go ahead and plug in all of our data. Okay, so it's the x's 0, 4, 8, 12, and I'll just write all of those as we go through. Okay. And then the next column, I'm going to go ahead and put my data set for the m's. I'll just kind of work my way back. And then on my third column, I'm going to go ahead and type in my data for the W's. All right, so once I've got all my data entered, what I can now do is go ahead and highlight my X's and M's in this case. I can choose Insert, select Scatter Plot, so I can see my points labeled. And if I right-click on one of the points, I can add the trend line. It's a linear regression, so I'm going to leave that. I'm going to go ahead and display my equation on the chart. And so here is my answer. Now, for a lot of you, what you did is you typed in this number and you left it as 50.8420. And keep in mind that right now it's only displaying 3 decimals here. It's rounding it for you. What you want to do is you want to make sure both of these are displayed to 4 decimals. So if you double click right here in this text, in this equation, right where the cursor turns to the kind of the move feature, that little the plus symbol, you just double click right there. It opens up this formatting box. You can choose number, select 4, and then close it, and now it'll give you the actual equation. So the equation that you're looking for in that first one is going to be y equals negative 0.0958x plus 50.8417. In the second part, what it's asking you to do is now find the equation of this other set of data. So notice what I can do on here. If I just highlight my whole graph, what I can do is I can move my y's over. So did you see what I did there? I just dragged this whole box with y's in it over, and that right away changes to the equation that I want for the second part of this. It's already done to 4 decimals, so I'm good on that. I simply need to write that equation. Right, and so here, if I input that, part B is going to be, Now, in each of these cases, do make sure you understand the x's are okay. This is going to be the equation for M. This is going to be the equation for W. Okay, so